Welcome to ZSK Terminal tutorial. My name is Ada, and I will show you how to set up your ZSK embroidery machines with a PoolBox in Terminal. And by the way, this video is available in multiple languages, so if you need a different one, you can simply check the video description below. So now let's start. There are actually two ways to set up your machines in Terminal. First, if you haven't set up a PoolBox, you'll need to add your machines manually. The second option is using a PoolBox. If your embroidery machines are connected to a PoolBox network, Terminal will automatically detect and add them, so you don't have to do a thing. In this video, I'll walk you through the setup with a PoolBox step by step. If you're looking for the manual setup, no worries. You'll find that video linked in the description below. Now let's get started. All right, first, let me show you how to set up your machine in Terminal with a PoolBox. If your PoolBox isn't connected yet, no worries. Just check out the PoolBox manual video. I've added the link in the video description below. Now, if you've already set up a PoolBox for your embroidery machines and your computer is connected to the PoolBox network, then Terminal will automatically detect and add your machines. You can double-check if everything is there by going to PoolBox Machines in Terminal. Go to Option and the Setup ZSK Embroidery Machines. After that, click on PoolBox Machines. Now you see all machines that are connected with the PoolBox. Here, you can also edit the machine configuration or update the thread cone settings directly in Terminal. To set the thread cones in Terminal for a PoolBox machine, you must go to Edit and activate Manual Mode. After that, you can adjust the thread cones in Terminal under Configure Cones. Simply search for the cone, click on it, and then assign it to the desired needle. This lets you manually set them up if necessary. Super useful if you need to make changes on the fly. And also, if you want to lock or unlock thread cones, you can do that under Show Lock Cones and search for the needle you want to lock and click on the lock icon. If you have any questions, just reach out. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching and, well, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.